baby? What's going, baby? Hey, jiggy jiggy, heavy, baby, tell me what you're looking for. Why, biggie, heavy, baby, tell me what you're looking for. Why? This challenge, it is sweet me for body. This challenge is giving me mew. Okay, today we are going to be calling the names of the winner of this challenge of today Sunday. Wow, oh my gosh. But first of all, let me answer the questions that you guys are asking me. Mr. Joseph, you asked me a question if I was be able to systemize this thing with glue. As an African lady now, Nigerian woman for that matter, do you think that I'm going to be dull? I cannot be dull, never. Alright, I tried with my glue, it did not work. So I take needle and thread. I use it on it. You can see that needle and thread work on it. Then, after covering it, it worked. With needle and thread, magic. What Nigerian woman cannot do does not exist. My husband have even called me on video call. You see, I've read that I hate for your matter. I've systemized that part. Then another question that you guys were asking me, that what is the meaning of allora in Italian language? Okay, allora means a lot of things. Okay, one is and then. Okay, two is therefore, three now, four at that time, five in those days, six in that case. That is the meaning of allora. So I just say, okay, let me quickly make you guys to understand, and I'm seeing your questions. Then let me quickly reply you, okay? Any question that is coming out on our channel, I'm going to be replying you guys with video, okay? You guys know that we are here for positivity, not negativity, not at all. No time to be dull. Alright, I'm going to be putting my music, my new sound on this video. My new sound, I have almost about a lot of new sound that was created for me by my editor. Oh my gosh. Well, I'm not worried. Every video you will be hearing new sound. My personal sound. Okay, let's go there. Then the winner of this challenge, Oginikoa, what is Sunu? What is going on? Ha, God. Guys, una no try, una no really try at all. What is Sunu? Una for my hand. How many people win now? Just win already sympathy. Okay, let me call the names of the winner of this challenge today. Now we have 9 people that will win it. My heart. Everybody welcome from this challenge. Hey yo baby, what's going baby? Hey yo baby. Okay, that is the names. Number 1, Elizabeth Godwin. Wow! Number 2, Anuwo Chinemema. Whoa! If I do not pronounce it very well, don't worry, I will put the names on the screen. Then, number 3, my top winner yesterday. Oh my God. Miss Queen Tony. Wow! Number 4, Elizabeth Chidima. Oh my gosh. Number 5, okay? Number 5, that is my top winner yesterday. Mama Jennifer Ikemere. Wait. Hey yo, Mr. Dube. Hey yo, Mr. Bom. Okay, that is, how many are we? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, number 6, Edith, Enejide. If I'm not pronouncing that, women are not verse. Yeah. Number 7, Iyanu Oluwa. Wow! I need the boy to wash my pants. I need the boy to be my wife. Okay, number 8, Washuku Tam Shioma. Hey, gege. Then number Number 9, Ngozi Ukachukwu. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Top 9 people today plus. No, 9 people today. And those that win yesterday, my top winners, they win today. I twirl for una. See as the matter level, na level everywhere. Okay, let me tell you guys what was the game. Okay, the game, I will put it on the screen. It was $@ @407 and euro sign. So that was the code of this game today. Okay, $@ @407 euro sign. So that was the code of today. But at least 9 family show themselves that they are capable. Hey, jiggy, heavy, baby, tell me what you're looking for. Why? All right, this challenge, 9 top, the top winner are 9 people, 9 family, amazing people for that matter, and my top winner of yesterday. So tomorrow's challenge is coming out. Just prepare, tie your bets, and wear your boba well, tie your isokoto well, because tomorrow's challenge is going to be bomba to bomba. But today, the winner of everything, your own gift, is going to be, go and drink your beer. Go and buy your bottle of chilled beer to cool down yourself. That is the game. We proceed. One love, guys.